Guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the review on this new platform. As you can see, the new platform, the website, now everything has already changed, and how to go about this withdrawal, and then the every dictates that is here. What you are going to do, as you can see this home right now, you can see everything here is different. And then this one, now you can go to this market. If you see, look at this market now. If you click on this market area here, you will be able to see that this area now, just like a Binance, I bet this one want to become a platform like Binance. Okay, as you can see, can you see everything now? They are still working on it. Okay, as you can see it now. If you go to social, come down to this social area here, you will be able to see what is going on here right now. As you can see this social now, you can also benefit from this social. So how can you benefit? For instance, now if you want to send a message here, you can see many people here, they are sending message. And before you do that, let's assume now I want to write something. Let me just click this area. Okay, as I click this word now, you can see I've clicked on this area. Let me just say hi, send. But you will notice something. What you are going to notice, what you notice is that this area is for you. Before you can send a message, you are going to input your picture, and then you are going to insert your Web20 address. It means that as you are posting, you have many followers, you are going to benefit on this area now. So then we quickly do this so that we can continue. Okay, Web20 wallet address. Okay, you can just get your Web20 wallet address from the any MetaMask or Trust Wallet, any or Trust okay, any other Web3 wallet. Okay guys, so that is how you can do it now. Now that you have done this one now, so you have to confirm it first. So now successful. Now I can send a message right now. So right now, so I can now send this I can now see that sent successfully. So you can see it here. So, and then what are the benefits you can see? The more people that are following you, you can follow people. So you follow many people's also. So I think they are going to pay off this. It's going to be paying, because why are we dropping our Web20? It means for another things. Okay, so definitely you can start following people and start messaging, or if you are a content creator, you can also use this medium to contact many people so that they can follow you, so that as long as they are following you, so it means something is coming. Okay guys, so that is the social media aspect on this platform. Some people you might not know, so this is how they use it. You can see many people, just like Binance. You can see Binance now, everybody can post anything, can post something, can post some articles like that, where people about cryptos, where people follow and comment about that. So that is how they want to build this platform. Okay guys, so aside from this platform, this area now, if you come down to the finance here, and then this finance area is the new one that they have not done anything here. They are still building. You can see now that the website is still on building. Okay, they are still doing it. Okay, very soon now they will build this. I think in this finance now is all those Efsane, whatever you have gotten. So that is where it will be here. Okay, so they are still working on it. This area, they are still working on it. So aside from that, we come down to this in this my area now. So in this area, so if you come down to this asset summary here, so under this asset summary here, you will be able to see withdrawal here, and then this withdrawal you cannot withdraw now, because everything you have here has been what stake. Okay, everything has been stake for some months right now before you can withdraw it. Okay, so the final listing, after the final listing, everybody we now get dates of withdrawing after the stake. Okay, so that is what is really going on this withdrawal. But you can do other things by what making swap whatever you have to USDT. Okay, you can swap everything to USDT, so you don't gawk yourself. Just any your jam, just make sure you are swapping it to USDT. Okay, so that is everything about this app right now. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial helpful, consider to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next update guys. Peace.